Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top three stocks for today. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped the stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video. Now, before we begin, again, as always, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these uploads. So let's get started. Let's begin. Right off the bat, we got the SPY right now. And so far we are trading lower. We are trading at 0% exactly or lower, which is what I warned you guys about last night when we were over here. All right, overnight it immediately collapsed, and now there's this little pump fake right here. I don't think this is going to last at all. I really don't. It is present in all of the other indices. Right now the Dow Jones is down the most relative to yesterday. If we check that out, yeah, it's down the most compared to like the compared to the SPY and to the Nasdaq. So let's go back to the SPY. So right now, the one thing that y'all should be paying close attention to is for the breakdown. We are still in bearish territory. The market, well, the next candle on the 4 hour is about to open in like 10 seconds, right? So the next candle is gonna be right over here. Now the main question is, will this be the one that takes us right underneath, right? And that gets us ready for the weekend. If it does, and if it closes in this region, then you can expect the sell-off to continue on Monday and maybe also on Tuesday. But if it doesn't, then we're just gonna consolidate and the market is just gonna piss everybody off for however long the market wants to do so, right? This right here, consolidation in this zone, is not good for anybody. Nobody wins, which is unfortunate. But the market just needs to make a decision really, really quickly. Now, let's talk about the first stock that y'all should keep on your watch list. The first one that we're going to address, that one is AMD. All right, now AMD got beaten down for quite some time, but there is something on the, I think the 15 minute. Yeah, there is this bearish rectangle on the 15 minute. It's right over here. It's right on the chart, and it broke down yesterday, and right now the stock is about to open up at exactly $100. Worst case scenario, we see like a little bit of volume in the morning to like 103, maybe even to retest that level at 107, like the absolute worst case scenario for shorts, I mean. And then we see this thing falling down either on that day or into the next week. All right, I'm not bullish on the overall market, not yet. At least the market is still very, very sus, so it's very important that you look for individual opportunities and not be too greedy when the stock is going in your favor on a trade. All right, so this is like the worst case scenario. The best case scenario is that it just falls all the way down to like 90. So that's my very honest opinion on AMD and why you should keep it on your watch list for today. I'm also going to be answering. Let's see, another stock that we have to address is, another stock is Snow. The second stock you should keep on your watch list for today is Snow. And the reason why I want to share Snow with y'all is because it also broke below this floor right here. Right over here. And pre-market is not doing too well. Like it's really, it's not doing too well. It's at 244. And I think this thing has the tendency to just like fall out the gates. So we may see Snow continue to go down and finish off this downtrend which started over here. The downtrend started right up here. Alright. So in order to just finish that off, this thing is just going to trickle down and go maybe to 225. All right, and then on Monday, we may see it go down further to like 200. this is not, the trend is not bullish at all. It's still bearish, and it's still, every time it opens higher, as you can see on these candles, which started over here, it opens higher, we fall off, it opens higher, we fall off. Right now it's about to open up at the same price, and it might just tank out the gates. Like today might be the day. So definitely watch Snow for a move to the downside. All right. Now, the last one that y'all should keep on your watches for today, that stock is Etsy, which we have discussed yesterday. All right. And Etsy, the pattern on here is on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, it's quite clean. It opened up lower, which is good for shorts. And I think that it's going to just fall out. It's just going to immediately head towards the $135. So far it looks good. So far it looks good for a drop. So definitely keep this one on your watch list. Let's see what levels could be. Yeah, 120, around this region. Yeah, around this region. That is where I would expect a bounce and a break of trend. So that's my honest thoughts on that one. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The first one that we're going to address is actually J&J. All right, now J&J had phenomenal earnings, and it's been uptrending ever since. And right now, where is this stock going to go? There's resistance at like $174, which I don't think is gonna get past. I think that it may try to go for it and try to get there, but it will get rejected again because of the market conditions that we're currently in. All right, and there's also a gap below at 168, which wouldn't surprise me if we just drop to fill it first before attempting to move up. So a drop over here to 168. All right, and then consolidation, and then a move up to retest the previous highs, because this stock tends to do whatever it wants to do and not what the market is doing. It's just doing its own thing. So I guess that's a plus for those of y'all who are looking to put your money in something that doesn't move so much. All right, so that's my thoughts on that one. The last stock that we're going to address, the last sector I would say, is Bank of America. All right. And banks right now are looking like they want to tip over to the downside. There was that previous level that got rejected. Well, it didn't even quite make it. It almost made it, but it started falling way before that. And right now it's just looking pretty weak. If we go on the 4 hour, it's bearish, guys. It's bearish. I think we might head to $44 either today or on Monday. I think. So definitely keep your eyes on the banks as well for a move to the downside. And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:20 a.m. Central Time, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following social media, you can find me at NGumah and the PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook as well. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to have all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah, the PATTERNOLOGY Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.